Welcome back everyone. So like I said on the last video, we're going to learn how to make the deltoid. Also, we're polishing a bit the trapezium, softening some areas that are a bit harsh, which shouldn't be any trouble. So let's begin. As with the process we made with the trapezium, we're going to need some guide marks, or a line for that matter. Something like this. And here in the back, something like this. We're going to make a guideline for the biceps. And other two lines that go just like this. One here and the other here. These lines are not perfectly drawn, but they work just fine for us right now. We're going to use that clay or standard brush, but we're good to add some volume. The idea here is that these lines connect themselves as follows. So this is the biceps. This fiber in the center of the deltoid is going to connect like this. Let's soften it a bit. We adjust this with the move brush. And we can make this part of the trapezium a bit larger. As you can see from above, this part should go like this. Right? Like this. This is more or less the shape it's going to take. I'm going to hide the parts I don't need so it doesn't stand in the way. It goes way deeper in this area right here. Right here. And we continue the fibers of this part. So with the clay brush we add some volume to it. We soften it a bit, and as before, with the move brush, we adjust it. We'll make this area more robust. Here we're making something like this. What we want to do here is that this first fiber or part of the muscle right here in this upper area hides the middle section of the deltoid. This is going to reach all the way up until here. We're going to hide this area and finally we're doing the fibers on this one. I think this should be enough. We soften. And for the rest, we can work with the move brush. Later on, we're going to check some references to improve the look on this muscle. But something we will adjust right now is that this part right here in the front is higher than this part over here. This has some sort of slope. Something like this. This part right here is in most cases lower. This is it. We soften a bit over here. So, last thing we're gonna do, now that we are already working this area, is to soften a bit more the division between these muscles. They still look too pronounced. With a few clay or standard brushes, we can slightly fill it up a bit. And a few softening brushes. Maybe here it looks too flat, but later on we're going to fix it when we check some references for a better look. As of now, this is just fine. So as you see with the guides, it's much more easier and quicker to get these muscles done. The rest is just checking some references to get a better look for these muscles. So, hope you liked this video, and see you in the next one.